I'm going to create another product, so creating another subscription. So I am going to copy the second ID which is for 3 months. So copy this ID from here and paste it here, right? So this is our second product ID. Let's give it a name, 3 months subscription. You will get access to all features for 3 months. So this is a description. You will get access to all features for 3 months. Benefits: access, you will get all available features for 3, no limitations. You will have no limitations. So these are two benefits. Select the billing period. It's every 3 months, right? So select this one, select a price. Let me calculate the price. So the price is $12.70 PKR, which is equivalent to $7.9, right? And the last one was equivalent to $3.9. So just click on apply price and you can see it is applied now in PKR. Yes, we provide free trial for 3 days. 3 days. Introductory price is none. Grace period 14. Enabled for all, yes, and just click on save. So we created the second subscription. Just click on activate. Now go back to the subscription. We have 2 subscriptions, and now create subscription. Click this option, copy the ID of the third one. This is annual charging of, so just copy it and paste it here, right? This is annual subscription. It's annual subscription. This is its name. You will get access to all features for 1 year. All feature, access to all features, no limitations. Okay, in paid membership ads will not be shown, so no ads, right? We forgot in the last subscription, but we will see if it is editable, then we will edit it. Select option of year, set price to $25.9, which is equivalent to $4,150 PKR. So this is annual subscription. Apply charges, and yes, free trial is available. It is 3 days. There is no introductory prices, so enable for all. Just click on save and click on activate. Next we need to go back to the subscription. We need to create another subscription, which is a one time. Here you can see subscription SKU single item. So copy the ID, create a subscription, put the ID here, one time fee. You will get access to all features for lifetime. You don't have to pay again in this case, right? So I think we don't have to create a subscription for this purpose. Let me first check where this option is used and what is its purpose, because I am not clear about it. I have not seen it within the app. So let's just search for it. Okay, so search for it as a single item. So I think this option is not even used. So but since it is also already there, so I will create I will give it a name 6 months subscription, right? You will get access to all features for 6 months. Access to all features, no ads, no limitations. Give it 6 month time and set price to, let's select to 50. I think let give it a $12. Give it a price of $12, which is equivalent to 1900 Pakistani rupees. So apply the price 1900, free trial, yes, enable 3 days for this also. Now click on apply, so click on save and then click on activate. We are done with all these steps. Now go to the subscription back. Everything is okay. Next we need to release our app. So for that, go to the dashboard and inside here scroll to the publish section and click this option, review and roll out the release, which is the final step, and our app will be submitted for a review. Okay, so just click on review release and then click on start rollout to production. So now we are done with this thing. Our app is submitted for a review. It will take up to 1 week time and then it will be published, right? After publishing, we will check whether our subscription is working correctly or not. Let me check. I think yes, it is in review. You can see it here. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have learned the whole process. You will be able to launch the app easily. If you face any problem, you can contact me through my email or through the learning platform you are watching this course on. I will help you with all the issues. Also, if you want me to do all these steps for you, so contact me. I will do all these steps. I will edit app for you. I will do everything for you up till launching the app, right? I will charge you for my services, which will be a little charge, and you will be free of headache like we passed through it in this tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet while buying the next app, and then we will publish it on Play Store.